Hey learners, welcome to our very first session in Business Considerations in the 5G Equation Edge IoT and AI course. Now, in this particular session, we will get introduced to 5G technology. Now, in the ever evolving landscape of telecommunications, 5G technology stands as the next frontier, promising to revolutionize connectivity and reshape industries across the globe. As we embark on this particular journey into the realm of 5G, it is essential to understand not only what 5G is, but also why it represents a monumental leap forward in the wireless communication. So let's get started. Now, to comprehend the significance of 5G, we must first trace the evolution of wireless technology from the early stages to the present day. The story begins with 1G, the first generation of mobile networks which was introduced in 1980s. 1G enabled basic voice calls, but it was limited in its capabilities. With the advent of 2G, digital encryption and the ability to send text messages were introduced, laying the groundwork for the mobile communication revolution. Then came 3G, which brought mobile internet access to the masses, ushering in the era of smartphones and mobile apps. Building upon these advancements, 4G LTE emerged, offering a faster data speed, lower latency, and improved reliability, enabling seamless streaming, gaming, and other data intensive applications. However, as our digital ecosystem became increasingly interconnected and the demand for data skyrocketed, it really became apparent that existing wireless technologies were reaching their limits. The rise of emerging technology such as Internet of Things, artificial intelligence, and augmented reality underscored the need for a new standard capable of supporting the next wave of innovation, that was 5G. At its core, 5G represents more just as an incremental improvement over its preceders. It is a paradigm shift in the wireless communication. Unlike previous generations, which primarily focused on connecting people, 5G is designed to connect everything from smartphones and smart devices to vehicles, infrastructures, and beyond. With its ultra fast speeds, ultra low latency, and a massive connectivity, 5G has the potential to unlock new possibilities across industries, driving the innovation, efficiency, and the economic growth. Now, one of the defining feature of 5G is its remarkable speed. Expected data rates of up to 10 gigabytes per second promise to deliver lightning fast downloads, enabling users to stream high definition content, download large files, and engage in immersive experiences with minimal lag. To put this into perspective, downloading an entire HD movie could take mere seconds on a 5G network, as if we compare to several minutes on a 4G LTE network. Equally significant is the 5G's ultra low latency, or the delay between sending and receiving data. With latency reduced to milliseconds, 5G opens the door to real time applications that were previously unattainable. From virtual reality and augmented reality, also known as VR and AR experiences, to remove surgery or autonomous vehicles, the possibilities are limitless. Imagine a future where surgeons can perform delicate procedures with precision from thousands of miles away, or where self driving cars navigate city streets seamlessly, guided by real time data from the cloud. Moreover, 5G enables massive connectivity on a scale never before imagined. With support for billions of devices simultaneously, 5G lays the foundation for IoT to reach its full potential. Smart cities, connected factories, and intelligent infrastructure became a reality as sensors, actuators, and other IoT devices communicate seamlessly over the 5G network, driving efficiency, sustainability, and innovation. But perhaps the most transformative aspect of 5G lies in its ability to enable network slicing. This concept involves dividing a single physical network into multiple virtual networks, each tailored to specific applications or user groups. By allocating resources dynamically based on demand, network slicing ensures optimal performance and reliability for diverse use cases, from mission critical applications in healthcare and public safety to bandwidth intensive applications in entertainment and gaming. Moving forward, just getting a summary of whatever we discussed in this particular session, 5G technology represents a monumental leap forward in the wireless communication. As we stand on the brink of 5G era, the possibilities of innovation and transformation are boundless. From smart cities and autonomous vehicles to remote healthcare and immersive experiences, 5G has the power to reshape industries, empower communities, and propel us into future limited only by our imagination. We'll continue more on such sessions on this particular topic. Stay tuned till then. Have a nice day. Thank you.